Everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the one of the advanced level up for Dynamics 365. We have using that we can know the in our model driven app when we are opening any form, we can see the schema names, what are the option set values we are using in backend, and what are the fields we have added and we have hidden those fields. We can see in guard mode. How we can see means using one of the option 11 level up for Dynamics 365 for Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. We can extend, that is one of the type of extension we can get it. So instead of going and checking in solution what are the schema name we are using and what are the option set values we have, what are the form fields we have added in the forms. So go to Google and we can type it level up for Dynamics 365 Power Apps, and we will get a get option. Once you click on this, where it is installed, and if you see here extensions are added. So my whatever I have installed this one extension, it is added into the my Microsoft Edge. So now I'm going to the my form. So I'm refreshing my page. In this form we have the what are the fields I have used and what is the schema names I will show you. So when I click on this, click on level up for Dynamics 365, we'll get the this pop-up. When you click on logic mail names, you can see the what are the schema names we have for those fields. When you click on show option set values, we'll get one more tab. What are the option set values, option set fields we are using in the particular form, we'll get it in this tab. Again we have one few more options. When I click on again, we can see guard mode. If anything, as of now I have not added in this from any, I have not hidden any form any field, so that is the reason I'm not able to see. If you have hidden any field in this form means when you click on guard mode, this that field should be, it will be open. If you want to see record id, you can see the what are the exact record we can see in URL. Basically if you want to see particular this record id, when you click on this it will come. And one more thing, again I'm going to this particular this one, and record id we have got more, I have blur fields. If you have used any fields, we can see. If you want to hide those fields, I mean values, those things we can blur. And next more one more, again we can refresh this one. We are having more options, those also we'll discuss it now. If you see, we have all fields in this form. As I told, we have hidden few more fields, and maybe in any scenario means if you click on these fields, if you want to see those values, now name GJ is there, to Hyderabad is there. Instead of this, what are the fields we have hidden, those fields also if you want to see means click on all fields, it will redirect one more tick. See, instead of this form, what out all the out of the box fields and everything, what are the fields we are using in this table, those fields it should be displayed here. We can see those values here. This is the very advantage of this all the fields we are having. If you want to see this record URL, you can click and you will get the pop-up like this complete record URL, you can see it here. Now when I open logical names, I want to clear means we can click on this one, all the fields. When I blur fields, if you want to reset means you can reset blur fields. And also record area is to open record in web API also we have few more options. Refresh all subgroups. If for example I'm using any subgroup means instead of we can, instead of doing hard refresh, we can using this one also we can achieve that one. As I told, show the option set values and refresh plus auto save off, we can off this one. Processes business, when I click on this for this form, if you have any web JavaScript or any processes like any business rules we have added means, when you can click on this one, we can see this one. As of now I have used one of the business rule, send reminder mail, so this is showing here. The next one we can, one more option is there, record properties. If you have anything, we can see toggle tabs. If you have, we want to see toggle tabs means we can, in one of the here it is there, I think I have hidden. Now clone record, refresh. So many it is there. In formal as of now is shown. Logical names means we can see the schema names of all the fields, whatever the fields we have in the particular form. We can blur the fields, we can open hided fields, we can change the fields, we can get the record ID instead of going and checking in the URL. We can using record ID, we can get it, and also we can refresh all the subgrids, show options set values instead of going and checking solution. We can see it here directly and we can use it in the JavaScript or any Power Automate flows anywhere. And we can see what are the processes or business rule work for this particular form is. We can click on here, it will show the list of their. Once you open the logical names, if you want to clear, we can this one. We can blur the fields. If you want to remove, we can reset it. All the fields, what are the fields we are having in complete table, we can see it here. If you want to see what are the record URL, we can get it directly. What pop up when you click on this. Same toggle sub, what are the toggle subs we are using, those toggle sub, it will show everything. These are the from the forms. When you go with the navigation, if you want this one, now I have opened one record. If I want to see in separate tab means, can you we can click on open record by ID. See, as per the my this is my table name, means it will show the ID means table schema name. We can go the one more thing, new record. If you want to create new record, click on this. You can create it here. Automatically when pop up it will come. Same like the everything navigations, open list, security, everything we can, whatever we are advanced find, everything. And views also is there. Impersonate. Now as of now we are using currently one of the web so using this, if I log in with one account, I need to immediately want to see. Example, I have given one of the security role for this account. For another account, I give to some other different security role. So if I want to see how it is working, I can enter that username of that account. You can search user and you can click on impersonate. Automatically, the account it will switch and you can see the what are the security you have provided like this. What are the work exactly working in that account? Like this, using this, we can ensure